and our topic for today will be Introduction to Emotional Intelligence Competence. Each of us will have each biological rhythm, and which sometimes affects our output in life. Now, what is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is the ability to manage your emotions and to win in life. And what are the factors or the main core components of emotional intelligence? We're talking about self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. And once you're able to manage these four core components according to Daniel Goleman, you'll be able to win in every aspect of life. What is self-awareness? Self-awareness is recognizing your own emotions, the impact it makes in your daily life. For example, if we are in a construction environment and there's a project that is not going as planned, how are you able to manage your emotions in order not to affect your team members? That is what self-awareness is all about, and understanding how your actions can also influence the other person. Now we go to relationship management. According to a book from Goleman, relationship management is like change catalyst. Your ability to always function in a way that you're able to build teamwork, collaborate with others, and communicate effectively, and also developing others, not just about yourself. How has your relationship, having relationship with someone else or your team members or your colleagues, how has that influenced their life? Is it positively or negatively? Then we talk about self-management. That's the ability to adapt to circumstances. For example, we're here to learn and we're in this room right now, and maybe the temperature is not conducive. Are you using that to distract others, or are you able to manage the condition and also understand that other people are here as well, and you're not able to distract them by having some discomfort? Anyway, someone might argue that, how does that apply to the construction environment? Sometimes we plan to build a skyscraper, maybe with an arc, and a project manager or the project sponsor may have come to explain, oh, this has to form like this, and it has to have like 5 square meters on top of it. And for lack of resources, or for environmental issue, or for one issue or the other, and one is not able to get the exact dimension as needed by the project sponsor, and the project manager decides to use their own initiative to create a new dimension. How is that decision? How are you able to relate that decision to the project sponsor for them to buy your idea? That is what matters here in the aspect of social awareness, building and maintaining effective communication among others, and having a good service orientation, and having organizational awareness. Now, what is the impact of lack of emotional intelligence? Low performance, lack of collaboration, project failures. And why is EI important? EI is important because it helps to foster individual and collective teamwork. It gives you the ability to relate with others, and also ability to take control of our own emotion, yourself and that of others. And to round it all, I looked at factors that affect EI. People who are unlearnable will always exhibit negative emotions, which manifest sometimes in form of anger, rage, and all of that. So this is a take-home for me. One thing I want you to learn is, we as a human, there are factors that run in our head, which is things that are within your control and things that are without your control. Things that are within your control, how do you combat that to help others? Thank you.